and know what might be discussed in those discussions. But those are agendas which are being prepared by our technical team. They are preparing a detailed agenda which will be made public soon, and we are going to put those things in public. They are not going to be secrets over anybody, and we are going to discuss them openly also. We are going to discuss with our partners openly and find a solution, because these are issues which are to find a solution. We as ODM, we are not interested in other parties with whom we are not negotiating. We are only particularly interested in with whom we are going to start negotiations. We have not started the negotiations as yet. And this thing called zoning is just one of the tools of achieving what we want. For instance, if you take low area of Nyang, well, the majority of members of parliament are members of ODM. The majority of members of parliament in Kakamega are ODM. The majority of members of parliament in Busia are ODM. The majority of members of parliament in Kilifi are ODM. The majority of members of parliament, the very substantial number of MPs in Nairobi are ODM. And then it goes on and on with MCAs and so on. The governors, it goes to governors where we have governors, and we are not ready to cede those positions which we already have. We are not ready to cede them to any other parties. No, but with any other parties, we are going to compete. And we are going to compete as a party very fiercely with all those other parties. What we are simply saying is that we don't want to compete with the people with whom we are going into partnership